The pulp and paper industry is evolving fast. Manufacturers face growing pressure to cut costs, reduce waste, meet sustainability goals, and adapt to a shifting workforce. Aging systems, siloed data, and manual processes make it hard to keep up, let alone get ahead. Many mills still rely on outdated or discontinued systems, homegrown tools, legacy MES, or ERPs pushed beyond their limits. The result? Delays, inefficiencies, and missed opportunities. And as experienced workers retire, younger employees expect intuitive, modern systems that actually work for them. That's where MAJIQ comes in. For over 40 years, we've delivered manufacturing execution systems purpose-built for pulp and paper. Our solutions, Elixir and Ether, help mills streamline production, increase visibility, reduce waste, and boost customer performance right out of the box. Whether you need full order-to-invoice execution or a lightweight bridge between SAP and the shop floor, we've got the right footprint for your operation. Today, MAJIQ supports 400+ mills and warehouses around the world. From North America to Europe to Latin America, our software powers over 15 million rolls and 1 million shipments every year. But we don't stop at implementation. We evolve with our customers, delivering monthly updates, improving functionality, and expanding capabilities based on real-world feedback. Our configuration, not customization philosophy keeps you agile and upgrade-ready, without technical debt. No matter what the size of your operation is, our solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly and evolve with your business needs. If you're navigating transformation, replacing a legacy system, or preparing for the next phase of growth, talk to someone who understands the mill floor and the business behind it. Connect with a pulp and paper expert and start your MES transformation on your terms.